People love sneakers. They're everywhere. Streets, parks, and even in places you wouldn't expect. Schools, offices, and even fancy events like weddings and galas. Sneakers have truly become a universal footwear choice. What was once just simple footwear for sports and casual wear is now a huge part of fashion and culture. Sneakers have transcended their original purpose and have become a statement piece in the fashion world. Sneakers can be simple or fancy, cheap or expensive. From budget-friendly options to high-end luxury brands, there's a sneaker for everyone. Some people even collect them as a hobby, treating them like valuable pieces of art. But how do they go from an idea to your feet? Let's find out. The journey of a sneaker starts with a concept, a vision in the mind of a designer. It's a long journey involving designers, factory workers, and a lot of intricate processes. Each step is crucial to ensure the final product is perfect. Designers sketch out their ideas, choosing materials and colors, while factory workers bring these designs to life with precision and care. It's a collaborative effort that requires skill and dedication. Just like building a house or making a car, every step is important. Each phase, from design to production, must be executed flawlessly to create a high-quality sneaker. And just like those things, it all starts with a good plan. Designers brainstorm and create detailed blueprints, ensuring every aspect of the sneaker is thought out. Let's jump in and see how it's done. From the initial sketches to the final product, the process of making a sneaker is fascinating and complex. Stay tuned as we explore each step in detail, revealing the artistry and craftsmanship behind every pair of sneakers. Every sneaker starts as a thought. Maybe a designer wants to make a shoe perfect for basketball, or maybe they're inspired by nature, music, or even food. These early ideas get sketched out, often by hand. Think of it like a blueprint for a house. These drawings show the basic shape, the lines, the look of the sneaker. Designers will make tons of sketches, trying different things until they get it just right. It's like brainstorming on paper. Sneakers aren't just made with pencils and paper anymore. Just like we use computers for almost everything else, they're now a huge part of sneaker design. Special software lets designers create three-dimensional models of their shoes. This is way more than just a picture. Designers can spin it around, zoom in on details, and even see how different materials would look. It's like holding the shoe in your hand before it's even made. Sneakers can be made from all sorts of stuff: leather, canvas, synthetic fabrics, you name it. Choosing the right materials is super important. It affects how the shoe looks, how it feels, and how long it lasts. Designers think about what the shoe will be used for. A running shoe needs breathable materials. A basketball shoe needs something tough and supportive. It's all about finding the perfect fit for the job. Prototyping, the first step. With the design finished, it's time to create a prototype. This is basically a sample of the shoe, made to test out the design and materials. Think of it like a test run before the big game. Prototypes are usually made by hand, with careful attention to detail. They help identify any problems with the design or fit. Sometimes several prototypes are made with changes each time until everything is perfect. Factories humming. Once the prototype gets the thumbs up, it's time for mass production. This is where the magic of turning a concept into a tangible product truly begins. This happens in large factories, often overseas. These factories are strategically located in regions where skilled labor and materials are readily available, ensuring efficiency and cost-effectiveness. These factories are like giant workshops, with tons of people and machines working together. The atmosphere is a blend of human ingenuity and mechanical precision, creating a symphony of productivity. Each part of the shoe, from the sole to the laces, is made separately. Specialized machines and skilled workers focus on perfecting each component, ensuring that every piece meets the highest standards of quality. Huge rolls of fabric are cut into the right shapes, using patterns made from the original design. This process requires precision and attention to detail, as even the slightest error can affect the final product. It's like a well-oiled machine, with every part playing its role. The coordination between different sections of the factory is crucial, ensuring that the production line runs smoothly and efficiently. Workers meticulously assemble the sneakers piece by piece. Quality control checks are conducted at various stages to ensure that each sneaker meets the brand's standards. Once completed, the sneakers are packed and ready for distribution. The journey doesn't end at the factory. The finished sneakers are loaded into shipping containers and transported across the globe, eventually arriving at stores where they await eager customers. And finally, the sneakers reach the hands of customers, who try them on and take them home, completing the journey from concept to consumer. This entire process is a testament to the intricate and collaborative effort behind every pair of sneakers. Stitching and gluing. Now comes the part where the shoe really starts to take shape. Different parts of the upper, like the toe and the tongue, are stitched or glued together. This is precision work, often done by skilled workers. Machines are also used, especially for gluing the sole to the upper. These machines use special adhesives to create a strong bond that can withstand a lot of wear and tear. Checking for quality. Before any shoe leaves the factory, it goes through rigorous quality control. This means checking for any defects, like loose stitching or uneven coloring. No one wants a shoe that falls apart. Trained inspectors examine each shoe carefully. They might bend the shoe, tug on the laces, even compare it to the original design. Only shoes that meet the highest standards get the seal of approval. Stepping out in style. From a designer's sketch to a factory floor, making a sneaker is a long and complicated process. It starts with a vision, an idea that takes shape on paper. Designers pour their creativity into every line and curve, imagining how the sneaker will look and feel. But it's also fascinating, involving creativity, skill, and a lot of hard work. Once the design is finalized, it moves to the prototype stage. Here, skilled artisans and technicians bring the sketch to life, crafting the first physical model of the sneaker. This prototype is then tested and refined, ensuring it meets the highest standards of quality and comfort. And the result? A shoe that's not just footwear, but a statement. Each sneaker tells a story, reflecting the designer's vision and the craftsmanship that went into its creation. When you wear a sneaker, you're not just putting on a shoe, you're stepping into a piece of art. Sneakers are more than just shoes. They are a cultural phenomenon, a symbol of individuality and style. From high-end designer brands to everyday wear, sneakers have become a staple in wardrobes around the world. They transcend age, gender, and background, uniting people through a shared love of fashion and function. They represent sports, music, fashion, and everything in between. Athletes rely on them for performance, musicians use them to make a statement on stage, and fashion enthusiasts incorporate them into their daily outfits. Sneakers have a unique ability to adapt to any setting, making them a versatile and essential part of modern life. They're a blank canvas for self-expression, a way to show off your personality. Custom-designed sneakers allow individuals to create something truly unique, reflecting their personal tastes and creativity. Whether it's through bold colors, intricate patterns, or meaningful symbols, custom sneakers are a powerful form of self-expression, and a reminder that sometimes the most stylish things are also the most comfortable. Sneakers offer the perfect blend of fashion and function, providing comfort without sacrificing style. They remind us that we don't have to choose between looking good and feeling good, we can have both. So, step out in style and let your sneakers tell your story. If you found this video interesting and want to discover more about how things are made, built, explored, discovered, or manufactured, be sure to give this video a comment, a like, and subscribe to Manufacta.